see Taiwan. Let's see what kinds of good idea they have today.
So we have our product is called Dynamic Evocation System. So recently we put a sensor which is detect temperature. So you can, let's take a look on this. So we use our hair dryer too. It will shows where you need to go and where you cannot go. Which we have right now is in the normal situation when the electricity gets into water. So what happened right now? So
let's, oh!
So it will jump just like normal situation, right? And once, if we go through with this device, so let's turn it off. And so we go into water again.
Okay.
And see what happened. And even the plug goes into water, it's still safe.
This is the compression dock. You can
Okay.
see here is the where you have the compression side. You see the B is directly interacts with industry standard lock and access control system with built-in sensor that detect lock standards for network controlling. If we have many things that is very important inside, and we have two-way lock, and we have remote electronic access to know who opened this one.
This is our modular cooling tower. Okay, this one type of our standard cooling tower, and you can see every piece we can assembly in the factory, like this one. Okay, this module including the pipe, the eliminator, also the infill. Okay, so you can see besides this construction, you can see the okay, the fan, the gear reducer, drive shifter, and the motor also piece by piece.
When the condensate comes in, the dust comes in, it will fall to high level, and then we will call our motor to open the ball valve. When it reach high level, you will see the ball valve open. So as you can see from here, the pan can easily goes in and goes out.
In front of you is a 3-generation lighting. This is a fluorescent lamp. The power consumption here is 19.4 watt. This is the first generation LED lighting. The power consumption here is 10.5 watt. This is our new generation LED lighting. The power consumption only 5.9 watt.
This equipment we call as a permanent magnetic coupling. It's a kind of coupling, but it's different than the traditional one. It's a non-contact coupling. It is used for the centrifugal equipment for energy saving.
We are in Synergy. We provide cloud-based professional power management systems, and this is our display box. And we will show you how we control our device. At this time, we will show you our I/O solution. You can see there are many buttons on the tag, like motor control. We can turn on and turn off this motor, and we can show many devices. This each line stands for different devices.
我们的化学泡沫它基本上它可以耐非常多的耐酸碱的液体，比如说硝酸、硫酸、氢氟酸。那我们英盛最大跟别人不同的地方就是我们符合现在欧盟的最低能效的稀释纸的节能标准。那我们的系统面会去量测你现场的一个操作点、你的流量扬程以及你的耗电功，从你的系统面去帮你对症下药，了解你的系统面，针对你的系统面帮你做到客制化的一个改善。